would now like to introduce Diviner. Diviner has a novel proprietary forecasting method which draws on the collective insight of industry experts, minimizing bias and maximizing insight to predict which drugs will work. Diviner is applying it to help investors make better returns and bring better medicines to humanity. Please welcome Mark Gordon, CEO of Diviner.
Thank you. I'm really excited to talk to you about Diviner today. This is the most important thing I've ever done in my career. In 1999, I found myself in a room with the smartest people I'd ever met, scientists at drug giant Eli Lilly and Company. Their blockbuster at the time was Prozac, and they were scouring the world to find the next generation of biotech drugs. What shocked me is that they knew something I didn't. Most of the billion they would spend on R&D would be failed investments. In fact, this is still pharma's greatest problem. Over 90% of drugs that start clinical trials fail. Nobody knows which ones will work, and biotech and investors and patients both lose. The solution? This is not a solution for AI. In 2011, the intelligence agencies ran a forecasting tournament. They had missed 9/11. They had badly misjudged weapons of mass destruction, and they needed to see over the horizon. So they ran a tournament. 5 academic teams competed. The winning team out of UPenn blew everyone else away, called the Good Judgment Project. 4 years, 500 questions, thousands of forecasters, and they kept score how good their predictions were versus the experts. They beat them by 30%. Diviner is applying these concepts, these principles to pharma. We're doing it by adapting that technique to our own novel proprietary forecasting technique that will disrupt biotech investing. Traditionally, you have a few deep domain experts, cancer key opinion leaders looking at cancer drugs. The loudest voice in the room wins, or politics, or the boss's decision, groupthink. These lead to weak forecasts. In contrast, Diviner's method brings together a large, diverse team of industry experts with broad expertise and a novel proprietary collaboration method that produces a strong forecast, a predictive signal. What's the market for this? There's $250 billion a year invested in biotech drugs, most of it badly. We can improve these odds. And also, there's trillions of dollars in AUM globally. A lot more of it could go into finding new medicines. Our team is the team to do this. 10 startups, 3 exits, 2 IPOs, over $2 billion raised. We're a combination of pharma science, pharma business, computer science, analytics, and forecasting. We're the team to make this vision a reality. Our financial projections. We'll hold off on the business model until the breakout, but suffice it to say, if you had a signal that could tell you the likelihood a drug could work, what would you do with it? Trade on biotech stocks, focus on biotech VC investments. Looking out to 2027, we see $55 million in revenue, over $30 million in EBITDA. We're raising $600K now. In our first round, we built our forecasting technique. We recruited our network of industry veterans, and we ran a clinical trial prediction proof of concept. We're now raising $600K to increase our forecasting power, set up our trading POC to trade on biotech stocks, and allow our investors to participate along with us. Thank you again. This is the most important thing I've ever done with my career, and I hope that we'll see you in the breakout room. The information is in the chat. Thanks.